Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to switch Google Play accounts in Clash of Clans, so you can easily manage multiple accounts on one device. This is really useful if you have more than one village, or if you want to play with different accounts without having to constantly log out and log back in. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you don't run into any issues. Start by opening the Google Play Games app on your Android device. Once you're inside the app, tap on the three-dot menu located in the top right corner to access Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Your Data section. This is where Google Play lets you manage account preferences for your games. Tap on Change Account for Games. Next, you'll see a list of games installed on your device. Scroll down and find Clash of Clans in the list, then tap on the Change button next to it. This will show all the Google accounts currently linked to your device. Select the account you want to log in with. If you want the option to switch between accounts each time you open Clash of Clans, make sure to choose Ask Each Time. This way, the game will prompt you to pick an account whenever you start it, which is perfect if you actively play on multiple villages. After selecting the account, open Clash of Clans and the game will prompt you to confirm which account you want to use. Once confirmed, your village will load under that account. If you have multiple accounts, you can repeat this process to add all of them. This method keeps all your progress intact and allows you to switch seamlessly without risking any data loss. And that's it! Now you can enjoy playing Clash of Clans with multiple Google Play accounts on the same device, manage different villages, and never worry about logging out every time. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more helpful Clash of Clans tutorials and tips.